in its hole right here, snap it in, and then you're gonna come over here. All you gotta do, press that in just a little, and then take this, snap it in. And there you go, guys. That's how you get it back in. Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. So today we're back here with this 2008 Jeep Wrangler, and we finally, hopefully, got the right lock. So it's going to be a Dorman 931694 door lock latch actuator. So here it is. And we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. So I'm not gonna film taking it apart because I've already done that. So I'll just film once I get it to where I need to put this on. I'll go ahead and start filming it. So we'll bring you guys right back. Okay guys, so we went ahead and took the old actuator off, and they're fairly similar. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in. So you want to try your best to get all these back in. So you're just going to pop this red one back in here, and then I don't know if you guys could see it. You're just gonna pop it right back into that little slot. And then you're gonna come here. Slide this piece. Just gonna slide that piece back in until you hear that little snap. So if you wanted to release it, all you gotta do is come under here and it will release. So snap that back on. Okay. Get your wiring harness snap back on out of the way, hopefully. And then, I don't know if you can see back here, this one. So, alright, so you're going to take your black one, guys, up top. Go ahead and get that in. Alright guys, after some cussing, swearing, and finally got this one in. So the black one's gonna come up top and just reverse of taking it out. So then I'll show you the blue one. So it's easier if you just come in here, put it in its hole right here, snap it in, and then you're gonna come over here. All you gotta do, press that in just a little, and then take this, snap it in. And there you go, guys. That's how you get it back in. So now, okay, so now we're just gonna put it back in. right, guys. We're slowly but surely getting it in. All right, guys. So we got it in and got some of the fastener started. So just gonna put that, and we'll come back and tighten these up because I want to get the rest of it put back in. All right. So now we're gonna come over here. Fasteners in. So now, before we put everything back together, let's go ahead and verify that it's actually going to work. All right, guys, before we put all this back together, we want to verify the repair. So we're going to go ahead and actuate the lock to make sure it works. All right, we're going to go ahead and verify that we repaired the problem. And it looks good, guys. So there you have it. We're gonna go ahead and put all this back together and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. I'm glad I was able to show you this quick little video on part 2, I guess, of the first one. Show you guys that we actually confirmed the problem and confirmed the repair. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification and subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. Until next time, guys, have a good one.